This motorhome is the Dethleffs Trend i7057DBM. The I tells us it's integrated, but we could see that anyway. And it costs 80,000 euros and is 740 centimeters in length. It comes with a queen bed at the back, which is adjustable. So if you want up higher or lower, you can actually do that. Higher, you get more space in the garage. Lower, it's easy to get into. You've got storage at either side and above, and storage either side, wardrobes and plugs as well on our left. There's also a door here, so you can close yourself off once you're in bed. Here is the shower with a nice bar to wash or let's dry your socks on once you've washed them. On the other side we have this door which gives into the toilet and gives you a little bit of a look inside, and there's a big mirror so you can see me, what I look like in the cold. To the left here we've got an L-shaped or side kitchen I should say, with 3 burners, storage below, and of course we've got storage all the way round. And on the other side is a Beckford fridge which has a door, and storage below that as well. Now here is a rather nice seating group, as it's an integrated van. It's got the bed, the drop down bed is over the front of the van, rather than in the middle as you're getting semi-integrated. And we also have a seat on the right hand side, storage in the sideboard over there as well. Hope this is coming out okay, but it's quite bright in here. And also has a large garage which you can see over there. And I've done this video in under 3 minutes, and so I hope you found that of interest, and if you did, then you might want to subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. All the best from Itineo.